Welcome to this video that will guide you through the Smarturns installation. Step 1. Installing the intelligent knobs. First, remove one of the knobs on your stove. Provided in the package is a clear adapter sheet with templates of the adapter options and cut-out holes of 6 different adapters that Smarturns caters for. Hold the clear adapter sheet up to the stove shaft. Fit your stove shaft through the punched-out holes to identify the adapter shape and size that best fits your stove shaft. Now take note of the adapter code next to the shape. In this video, the adapter that best matches the stove shaft has a P2 code. Next, find the pack of adapters with the code label that best fits your stove shaft. Remove the adapters from the pack and insert one adapter on each stove shaft as shown in the video. Next, install the Smarturns knob by inserting it over the adapter. Ensure that the red line on the knob is positioned vertically and facing up. Push the knob over the adapter until you hear a click sound. Repeat the installation of the Smarturns knobs on the remaining stove shafts. Step 2. Mounting the PIR detector. The PIR detector detects movement in front of the stove and should be mounted on a wall that faces the area in front of your stove. Check the on-off switch, which is located at the back of the unit. Ensure the switch is in the on position. The pin provided in the Smarturns package allows you to toggle the on-off switch. Using the double-sided tape provided, mount the PIR detector on the wall that faces the front of your stove. Take note that the PIR detector should be mounted upright as shown in the video. Make sure the PIR detector is firmly mounted on the wall. Step 3. Powering up the hub. The hub needs to be placed no further than 3 to 4 meters from the stove. Connect the hub using the provided USB cable and adapter to an electrical power outlet as shown in the video. Once plugged into the power outlet, you should see the hub light up with a blue light. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Smarturns in your kitchen. To download the free Smarturns app that will enable remote monitoring of your stove from your mobile phone, please follow the instructions in the user guide provided in the package. The Install Smarturns app section will guide you through this app installation. If you have any questions or problems with the installation or use of Smarturns, please contact our support line. Thank you for your Smarturns purchase.